Good morning and Jai Mama Dev to all. I, Shilpa Geria, on behalf of Tanna English Medium School, warmly welcome our Principal Sir Verma Sir, our HOD Mrs. Komal Panchani Ma'am, and my colleagues. So yes, today we are gathered here, as you can see behind, today we are gathered here for Christmas quiz competition among teachers. Okay, so what is Christmas? So Christmas is the annual festival commemorating the birth of Jesus Christ, observed primarily on December 25 and celebrated as religious and cultural festival among billions of people around the world. Okay, so as you all know, there are 4 groups in our school, that is Patanjali, Aryabhat, Chanakya and Kalidas, and from each group 3 participants will join us for quiz competition. So participants, are you all ready? Shall we start? Okay, so group A is Patanjali. So from Patanjali, I would like to call their members Saroj ma'am, Dipali ma'am, that is for group A. Now group B is Aryabhat. So from Aryabhat group, I would like to call Nazim sir and Shahnaz ma'am on the dais. They are the participants of Aryabhat group. Okay, so now our group C is Chanakya group. So from Chanakya group, I would like to call Mrs. Kajal Bojani ma'am and Sonal ma'am on the dais. Please put your hands together for them. Now our next group is group D, Kalidas group, and from Kalidas group, I would like to call Nooreen ma'am and Nehal ma'am on the dais. So please put your hands together for both of them. So participants, are you all ready for the quiz competition? All prepared? Okay, so all the best to all the participants. So now this quiz competition will be conducted by our teacher Joby sir. So now I would like to hand it over to Joby sir. Thank you.
Good morning all. Respected Principal Verma sir, Komal madam, all my participants and my colleagues. Very welcome to the quiz competition connected with Christmas. So what is Christmas? Christmas is the tenderness of the past, courage for the present and hope for the future. Christmas is the day that holds all time together. Christmas means fellowship, feasting, giving and receiving, a time of good cheer. As you all know that Christmas falls on December 25th. As a part of the Christmas celebrations, I heartily welcome you all to the Christmas quiz. Dear participants, there are 4 rounds in this quiz. Rules of each round will be explained at the beginning of the same. At the end of each round, scores will be announced. In case of any dispute, the decision of the judges will be final. Round 1, trivia time. Let us see the rules. Each team will be asked a question, and if they give the correct answer within 30 seconds, remember that it is 30 seconds only, then that team will be awarded 10 points. If they are unable to answer, suppose I ask first team, they are unable to answer, that question will be passed to team B and they will get only 5 points for correct answer. If they are also not able to answer, it will pass to team C, then team D. Okay, the passing round. Then they will say the second team will get only 5 points. The first team give the answer, they will get 10 points. So team A, it stands of team A, Patanjali. So your question is on the screen. Are you ready?
Yes.
Who are the parents of Jesus Christ? Name the parents of Jesus Christ.
Mary and Joseph.
Mary and Joseph. Are you sure?
Yes.
Lock किया जाए?
Yes.
Okay? Ready? Please show the answer. Yes, it is the correct answer. Team A got 10 points. Sir, please mark 10 points. Mary and Joseph are the parents of Jesus Christ. Now, Team B, Aryabhat, your question is on the screen. Name the city in which baby Jesus was born. Name the city in which baby Jesus was born. Yes? Bethlehem. Sure? Please show the answer. Yes, it's the right answer. Team B also scored 10 points. Team C, your question is ready. It's on the screen. At what age did Jesus Christ die? He was crucified. At what age he was crucified? Which one? 33. Any one you say? 36? Okay, let us show the answer. It is 33 years. I want the correct exact answer, that's why. Sorry, better luck next time. Okay, that's the last question of this round. Question number 4 for Team D. Where did baby Jesus sleep? The place he was born and sleep. Manger, stable, Bethlehem. Okay, let us check the answer. If you are right or no. Yes, it is right answer. Team D also scored 10 marks. Let us please give the score. That we are starting the second round. It's a visual round. Let us see the rules. This visual round where pictures and videos will be shown. For only a few seconds only it will shown. You have to watch carefully. Each team will be asked a question related to the visual shown. And 10 points for the correct answer. Question will not be passed. Okay? Okay, let us start the second round. First question to Team D. The opposite direction we are moving. Team D. You got the first hand. Let's watch the visual carefully. Are you ready? Ready for the question? Okay, let's show the question. What are the songs sung on Christmas called? The special songs we are singing on the occasion of Christmas. What are these songs called? Yes. Christmas carols. Maybe. We'll check the answer. Yes, right answer. Very good. Good performance. Keep it up. Now the next question goes to Team C. The question is, let us see the picture. Okay, now ready for the question. What does the red color in the candy cane stand for? The red color in the candy cane stands for. Ready with the answer? Yes, just check the answer. They give blood of Jesus. Please show that. Yes, right answer. It is a difficult question. Then also you gave the answer. Very good. Keep it up. Now the turn of Team B. Just look at the visual. Ready for the question? Okay, your question is on the screen. What are the decorative items on Christmas tree called? We are decorating the Christmas tree as traditionally we are decorated with many things. Gift boxes, bells, stars, candy cane and likewise. What all these things are called? What's the name of these things? Okay, they don't know the answer. No, it is not a passing word. We can answer. Anyone knows the answer, they can give answer. Anyone from the audience? That is a common name we are giving. Yes? Ornaments, right answer. Ornaments. That's the answer of this. All these things, stars, birds, boxes and everything, that is known as ornaments. Okay, well try. So now the last question of this round goes to team A. Your visual is ready? Feliz Navidad. Feliz Navidad. The meaning is Merry Christmas. Okay, Feliz Navidad means Merry Christmas. Your question is, which language is Feliz Navidad? Feliz Navidad. It's a European country, they are wishing. Which language it is? Feliz Navidad. That means Merry Christmas. Anyone give the answer? Greek. No. Yes? Yes, right answer. Spanish. It is Spanish language. That language, Feliz Navidad, Spanish. Mostly the European countries, German, they are wishing Feliz Navidad. Okay? That's the end of the second round. God never gives someone a gift they are not capable of receiving. If He gives us the gift of Christmas, it is because we all have the ability to understand and receive it. So let us start the third round. It is a choose your choice. It's a very easy round. You get 3 options. Let us see the rules. This is a multiple choice question round. Each team will be asked a question which will have 3 options. Choose the correct option and get 10 points. And this also question will not be passed. And it is another option is there, lifeline. You can, if you don't know the answer, you can call anyone from your group. Okay? Choice is there. It is very easy. You don't need to ask anyone. Okay? So let us start the round. It is start with the team B. Okay? Team B, you get the first question. Your question is on the screen. What is placed at the top of the Christmas tree traditionally? Traditionally, the particular thing is put on the top of the Christmas tree. Options are star, bells, wreath. Star. Sure? Lock? Okay, let's show the answer. Yes, it's the right answer. Team B scored 10 marks. Now the turn of Team C. Your question is on the screen. What well-known Christmas carol became the first song ever broadcast from the space in 1965? That is broadcast from the space the first time in 1965. Which song? Silent Night, Jingle Bells, Mary's Boy Child. Silent Night. Sure? Jingle Bells. Are you sure? Now don't change. This is only one option only there. Okay? Look, Jingle Bells. Just show the answer. Yes, is the right answer. Okay, they got 10 points. Team D, your turn now. Your question is there on the screen. Which country is credited with the starting the Christmas tree tradition?
Okay, so actually started from the western parts of
Germany. Are you sure? Okay, just look it down and check the answer. Yes, right answer. It is Germany. Actually, yeah, you are right. You are going little more deep. West Germany. Earlier it was divided into West and East Germany. So West Germany it started. Okay. So good performance. Now last question to Team A. Your question is on the screen. In which year was the first Christmas card sent? 1848, 1845, 1843. Which year? Lifeline. Their group number. So I will do 1843. Yes, sure. Sarajman was so confident. So we will just check the answer. 1843. Yes. Right answer. It's a right answer. 1843. Well, very good. Adi sir, congratulations. So the third round is over. Now just check the score. Okay, it is your turn. And this round is high scoring round, 10 questions will be last round. 10 questions will be there. You got to press the buzzer. But one danger is there. If you don't give the answer or wrong answer, you will lose 5 marks. Minus marking is there. So you attend, you press the buzzer, you have to give answer. If you don't give answer, then also you will lose 5 marks. And be careful, because danger is there. Minus mark. Okay, it is the last round. This buzzer round, 10 questions will be asked. Any team can answer this by pressing the buzzer. Those who are pressing the buzzer first, they will get the chance. Okay? Okay, let us start the first question. How many reindeer drive Santa Claus sleigh? Team D. Yes, give your answer. 8. 8, sure? Sorry, it's 9. It is 9 reindeer drive Santa Claus. -5. Okay, next question. Sorry, there is no. Where was the tallest Christmas tree ever put up? Tallest Christmas tree ever put up. Nobody knows the answer? So mark goes to Christmas Joby sir. It is Seattle in America, and it is almost approximately 221 feet height. It is in Seattle. Next one, third question. Which was the first country to issue Christmas postage stamp? Christmas postage stamp. Postal stamps, you know, related to the which country started the Christmas postage stamp? You can try. If 5 mark matter, no? Nobody. Okay, again, his answer is Canada. Canada started the first postage stamp related to Christmas. Now the fourth question. Yes, wait. Let me read the question. Which animal carried Mary before she gave birth to Jesus while they are coming to Jerusalem? Sorry, Bethlehem. Mary was carried by an animal. Which animal? Donkey. No, very well. First of all, so related. No? Donkey is the right answer. Donkey. And donkey is very much related to Jesus Christ. Whenever he was, some important ways, he was riding on a donkey only. That shows the simplicity. Okay, next question, question number 5. Are you ready? Which American president banned Christmas trees in the White House? Which American president banned Christmas trees in the White House? White House is the official residence of American president. One of the president banned because he think it was cutting down trees for Christmas tree. It destroys our nature. It is Theodore Roosevelt. Okay, go to the next question. What is traditionally hidden? Hidden inside a Christmas pudding. Pudding is a dessert. Yes, right answer. It is coin, silver coin. 10 mark. The Christmas pudding is a dessert specially made for the occasion of Christmas, especially in the European countries. So, sixth question. All of you ready? What gift did the little drummer boy give to the newborn Christ? Many people visited the 3 wise men, and many people visited, and one of the drummer boy was there in the stable. And he, what gift he gave? Don't know? Okay, again the answer goes to, he don't have anything, didn't have anything, so he played a song on his drum. That is the answer. So next one, question number 8. What did the wise men follow to reach baby Jesus? Star. Yes, right answer. Star. 10 mark. Very good. Now the 9th was only 2 questions left. Are you ready? Last two questions. Ninth question is on your screen. What was the evil king's name who ordered to kill baby Jesus? Is it in, sir? Yes. This time. Yes. King Herod. Right answer. King Herod. Actually, he ordered to kill all the newborn child. He don't know where, didn't know where Jesus Christ born. So he ordered to kill all the newborn child in his kingdom and killed everyone. But Joseph and Mary fled to Egypt. Okay, last question. Last question. Hands on the buzzer. What do children hang up for Santa to put the toys in? Yes? Socks. Socks. Santa Claus, it is traditionally believed that Santa Claus come and give gift to that. Yes, right answer. It is socks or stockings. Stockings. Actually, Santa Claus come through the chimney. So beside the fireplace, they are putting the stockings. And Santa Claus come and put the toys for the children. So all the participants contest very well. The judges will announce prepare the final score. So the winner, judges sir, announce. Aryabhat. Yes, right. Very good. Close one. Very good. Okay, the winner is Team B. Congratulations to you. The winner is Team B. And second place goes to Team C. Very well. Thank you. Congratulations to all of you. And on this occasion, I wish you all Merry Christmas in advance. May this Christmas fill your homes with happiness and joy. Thank you. Thank you very much.
So thank you so much to one and all for conducting this really incredible quiz session. Special thanks goes to Joby sir. He has done a great job. And for each and every participants from our house, as well as our audience also, everyone who has just participated from this team. I also want to thanks to audience also, and our computer operator helped a lot. So Janaki ma'am also. Jasu sir has given a big hands for scoring, so thanks a lot. Last but not least, Merry Christmas to all, and hope this new year will bring a lots of colors in our life. Thank you so much.
Now the competition is over. All the participants for very well. They participated really well. They prepared very well. Now it's a time to gift giving. Now I invite Verma sir to come up on the stage to facilitate with the gifts to the winners.
I want to congratulate the winners, Arvad team. You know, this competition has given a many, answer of our queries. I learned a lot. So for everyone, this is a learning resource. We are going to have the history of this celebration, many technical question. So it was really amazing. So I want to congratulate to everyone whosoever has participated here, and especially our team for winning the competition.
Bharatiya group. All the team members, please come on the stage.